Welcome to Blacktop Chassis Works. Here's one of our universal frame kits. As you can see, it's fairly straightforward, nothing over the top. I tend to run the main chassis rails down the centre of the car, about 500mm apart, which you can get most engine and gearbox combinations and everything in there, and run the exhaust down the side of the engine, side of the box and that. The front section comes as it is, and that's billeted to your main rails, which go backwards. And obviously you can shorten these rails to whatever length the car is, so to cut this end, straight cut. The rear, that's over wide, so you trim that both sides to fit the width between the sills, whatever car you're putting it underneath. The outer rails again, just straight cut them to length to your sill, and then the small end piece as well. So that's your basic frame. Your kick-ups weld in whichever width you want them, and then your boot floor welds to the end of your kick-ups, and that again straight cut, so you can make it whatever size you want it. I tend to run the fuel tank in there, good spot for it, good location. I also have the XJ40 rear mounting kit as well. Again, the two channels that hold the mounts, you can shorten them to fit whatever width your kick-ups are. That kit's available as well. And then I also have XJ40 based front suspension unit. This does take the XJ40 front spindles, ball joints and everything, all fits as standard XJ40. The CDS arms, the bottom one's adjustable. The unit takes a coil over, a 13-inch coil over, and then the cross member comes, you can run whatever width you want to. So you can see where it locates onto the two main chassis rails through there and welds in. They're all polybushed, 3/4 UNF bottom mounts, adjustable to make them adjustable. It's all pretty standard stuff really, but it works. This chassis is going under a Mark II console, I believe, hence why it's only got one exhaust hole at the back, because I believe it's having a 5-cylinder ST engine put in it. It's going to be like a semi-pro mod, full streetable car with a 4-bar rear end, one of my front suspensions on it, and a small tyre car with a stretch front end and all fiberglass panel body. But more information on that when it comes to. So if you go onto the Facebook page, we have a Facebook page now. If you go onto there, you can find the link for costs of chassis and stuff, and the front suspension kit and the rear clip. I will post some more videos soon. There's a big update on Cortina coming, and the Volkswagen, which I'm currently on with both cars. But more soon. Blacktop Chassis Works.